Building a landing page in GoHighLevel is one of the first steps to creating a professional online presence for your business. Even if you have never designed a page before, GoHighLevel makes it simple and beginner friendly. In this video, I will walk you through how to create a basic landing page step by step so you can start the capturing lead, promoting offers, or sharing information without any stress. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and boost your productivity. If that sounds good to you, hit the subscribe button and don't forget to use our link from the description to get the 30 days free trial, access to the live bootcamps, and some exclusive bonuses. That will help you to start using GoHighLevel the right way. Now let's start with the video. So once you are logged into your GoHighLevel account, just go to the sites from the left panel and you will see there is an option for the funnel. You will be selected automatically, and from here just click on this new funnel. Now there is three options. One is from blank, the funnel AI, and one is from the template. So I'm going to use the template first and just click on this continue. And here you can see there are hundreds of thousands of templates available, so you can filter them according to your need and the preferences from here. So I'm just going to use, let's say, this one, the tax accounting, or let's say I want to use this one. So just click on this choose template, and here you can change each and everything, the logo, the text, the paragraph, the images, each and everything. So let's say this is your landing page is CTA, book my trip now. So just click here and you can change the text. So you can change this, you can change the button style, you can change the button color, each and everything. So after doing all of your customization, you just simply what you can do, and from here you can just simply click on this save, or you can publish it, and it will be automatically responsive for your mobile view also if you use the template, and you can preview this from here. So let's preview. See, this is our landing page which we created automatically from the template. Now let's go back, and this time we are going to create the landing page from the blank. So just simply click on this and give it a name. I'm just giving the name test 2.0 because I have already have the name which is test, so I'm just giving this 2.0. Then simply click on this create. Now from here just click on this add a new step. Now give it a name for your page, I mean for your landing page. Now if you have any landing page before from the click funnel, then you can import them by using the link. So I don't have anyone, so I'm just clicking on this create funnel. Okay, we have created our landing pages funnel here. Now what we have to do to edit this or customize this, just click on this create from blank. Here this is the blank page, and you can edit here just simply by dragging and drop. So let's say I want to add a column here first. Now add, sorry, I want to, okay, let's delete this. I want to add here a heading. It's a heading, and click on this plus. Let's add a paragraph. I'm just doing this for the tutorial purpose. Okay, so randomly I'm doing this. Oh yeah, if you want, then you can change the layout width from here. This is the width, this is the mid weight, so you can change the width. So I'm just keeping this full, and then just click on this plus to add a new, let's say I want to add a column to divide this, and here I want to add an image. And here I want to add a slide bar for the image. Okay, this is the image slide. So here will be a multiple image and people can change, you can see. And let's add an image here. Okay, for this tutorial maybe we don't, okay, let's say use this. Okay, this is a single image and this is the multiple image, people can change this. So when we will preview this, you can see that. Now click on this plus to get a new element here. Let's say I want to add a form here. So you can understand, or you can think that these all my service, and people after knowing about my information or the services or the product, now people want to join to our team or book appointment or get a service. So I want to add here for a form to submit. Now here I have some form. Let's say select this one, and you can see this is our form. So you can simply create a form from the blank according to your needs and preferences. So I have form before we create, and this is my one. So then just simply click on this save. Okay, this is your landing page CTA to get the email. Okay, so you want to get the name, the contact information, and people will submit, you will get the information. So after clicking on this save, it will be automatically save. And if you want to responsive this, you can see it's automatically almost responded according to your device. Now get back to the desktop mode, and if you want to publish this, just simply click on this publish. So basically this is how you can create your landing page. Let's preview this. See, this is the landing page. Okay, let's close this. And if you want to see the path or the landing page URL, you can see that you can customize that, and after that you can share this link in your social media or anywhere you want to share your landing page. So basically that's it. And once your landing page is live in GoHighLevel, you can start capturing lead immediately, testing the offers and growing your business online without complicated tools. So it's a simple but beginner friendly process that give you a professional result quickly. If you want to try it yourself, make sure to use our link in the description for the 30 days free trial, the live bootcamp access, and some exclusive bonuses. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.